Vechain continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the 0.02387 and the 0.022087, and at the time of this recording we are attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart to flip it back into support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's video I will be giving you the possible breakout target areas and significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding. Above all, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, and for those of you that might want to take a trade on Vechain, you can check out Bitget, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USD, and all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number for registration. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can first see that we picked in this 1-2 setup, and after completing the 1-2 setup we continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we first picked in these Elliot count 1. We saw a pullback in the formation of these Elliot count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, marked on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that you have not fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days we can easily start a bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of these Elliot count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $0.03152, which is an area that I will be expecting to be fully maximized. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting in case we continue holding within this key area of support over here, manage to see a bounce of this key area of support and manage to break above our key area of resistance above the 0.025. So that is all I will be expecting. But you also need to have in mind that we can also see a bearish case scenario where we can see Vechain lose our key area of support over here, flipping it back into resistance, and the moment that plays out I will be watching to see whether Vechain is going to be able to hold above the 0.02081, which is a key area of support, and if by any chance we lose that key area of support over here, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move where we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September and the 5th of August down there. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping on the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.05526, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback over here in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming months or maybe weeks we are going to see that impulsive bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. But for that movement to play out, we need to see Vechain holding above a key area of support here on the Fibonacci's, and that is the fib level 0.88. So if I connect the Fibonacci's here on the charts, we need to see Vechain holding above the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the 0.01829. As long as we are holding above that key area of support, there is a very high chance of a bounce back to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. But if by any chance we lose this key area of support, then that will be suggesting that there is a very high chance that we are going to see a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows that we made last year. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure to keep you up to date.